Hi, it's Breina from Peppermint IT, and welcome to today's Tuesday Tech Tip. Quick question, have you ever needed to send a full page to a colleague or a client, maybe instructions, a booking page, and you've ended up sending a long chain of screenshots? There's a much easier and cleaner way to do this straight from the iPhone. Here's how. Open the website that you want to capture on Safari or Google Chrome. Take a normal screenshot by clicking on the side button and the volume up. When the screenshot preview appears on the bottom left, tap it straight away. At the top, switch from screen to full page. Your iPhone will now capture the entire web page from top to bottom in one go, and even the bits that you'd normally have to scroll to see. You can save it as a single PDF, mark it up, and send one clear file instead of 10 screenshots. Simple, tidy, and much easier for the person on the other end. That's your Tuesday Tech Tip from Peppermint IT. See you next week.